Ladies and gentlemen, I gave you Ross. Ross, what are we doing today? Can you tell us, please?
We are here in the metropolis of Palmerston North.
Yes.
And we're about to go out droning. So Aki is about to show us the Manawatu Gorge, the world famous. And we're about to show us how he uses his drone.
Is this your new vehicle that you're used to?
Temporary vehicle, yes.
Temporary vehicle, yes.
Well. We could do the the Wayne's World thing.
Oh yeah.
And Bohemian Rhapsody.
You've obviously brought Maria with you.
Yes.
And she's just here. Say hi, Maria.
Hi, he's brought me with him.
The next question was if it was actually Ross's choice or not, but we won't go there.
No, I never started that.
You
All right.
started that.
Over and out.
Trying to get out of the hole, which is...
Have you got a few more words to tell us about where we've just been?
Yeah, so we are coming through the town of Ashurst.
Yep.
How far is that from Palmerston North, Aki?
About maybe 10k.
Maybe 10k?
Yeah.
Yeah, and Aki has been incredibly generous and guiding us in terms of where we have to go when we head off to Napier tomorrow. And we're just going on and had a look at the Manawatu River with the bridges over there and all of the wind farms up on the hill. And now we're in the metropolis of Ashurst. Aki needs to put the GoPro away and concentrate on driving.
I'll stop it first.
Okay, so here we are at the Manawatu Gorge.
I'm practicing.
Yep.
Yes. So Maria is the holder of the drone.
The drone controls. I am the controller.
And the drone is
in the backpack.
That's not actually our dinner, it's the drone.
So over here, if we go this way,
This way?
right, we'll see that the road comes to a dead end.
A dead end?
Due to the fact that we have lots of slips.
Ah.
This one here, this is Manawatu Gorge track, one way, 10k, 3 to 5 hours. That's for slow people, but we're fast. But we're not going to do it. Maybe another time. And you got the Tower Loop walk, return, an hour 45 minutes. That's overkill, I think, but hey, that's for slow people like
Like who?
Like
Maria.
us. Like us.
Just kidding,
Cameras
just
and
kidding,
cat
just
faces.
kidding. If you like to proceed this way.
Okay, okay. So,
We walk all the way from
these are the controls.
there to
Never been droning.
here.
So if I pan left here from where Aki is, we can see where the railway line is. And that's no longer in operation because...
Oh no, it's still in operation, but not so often.
Right.
This road is not in operation.
Yep.
Yeah.
The road behind us here? Yep. But the railway line is in operation.
Yeah.
But you said that you did it as a charity thing where they'd closed it off and walked the whole thing. And how far was that?
Maybe 6k. Yeah.
Yeah, 6k, yeah.
Yeah.
But in the meantime, I'm just going to pan around here. And we can see there's the railway line. And we've got the Manawatu River just heading off into the distance with Ashurst in behind us. You can see here that the road is actually closed. So Aki was saying the gorge is actually shut permanently about 2 years ago because of all the slips through the gorge here. Commemoration stone for the opening of the gorge. Just walking along the side of the road here, and you can see the river and the bridge in the distance there. The drone master.
There it comes. So it's got the silver, you put it on the silver. Black, silver, black, silver. Alternatively, the propellers run, they spin the opposite way to the other. It's black. They just screwed on. Okay, so now what we're going to do just to connect. So you've got to wait until it tells us it's okay to go.
Are you ready yet?
Alright, now it's ready to go. Are you
Yep.
going to film that or me? Just, I think
Whatever.
maybe that.
I'm filming, so
Alright,
we're live.
You're live.
now I'm filming too.
Here we go.
Looking around.
Just capture where we are here again. So we'll do a quick pan out to the river. Again, railway line in the background. River. So here we have Aki operating the drone, and this tiny little speck moving up there is the
Someone
drone.
should spot it for me. Great. Now, Ross, can you please tell me your impressions after this little performance of the drone? I believe that you were reasonably impressed with it, and
Very
and that-
impressed,
and
Aki,
that
very impressed
perhaps,
indeed.
Perhaps Maria's next Christmas present may be a. Yeah, but you haven't got a drone.
That's right.
Yeah.
Correct.
We don't have
We
a drone.
don't have a drone, correct.
So, I mean, it could be a Christmas present, perhaps.
Yes, if
I
Or-
think
Santa's
what
listening.
to Ross.
It
If
could
Santa
be
is listening.
birthday present.
Yeah, birthday's fast. Oh,
You know?
actually, anniversary present.
Could be
Well, there you go. See?
Because that's next month.
It is indeed.
Oh,
Yeah. Well, it's getting closer and closer to buying a drone.
why did I say that?
You know? No, I think perhaps because you were just impressed as much as Ross
I was
was.
gobsmacked.
You know, and
Gobsmacked.
Well, Roy, if you remember back at the Antwerp Olympics in 1924, if they'd had drones there, the footage, the coverage that they would have got from them just would have been
I know.
absolutely unbelievable.
Students in every single institute of sport could have been studying it from that time onwards.
Correct.
And we would
That's
have
right.
hit, you know,
Correct.
such records.
We could have had Greco-Roman wrestling
Well,
by the drone.
well, I remember the old chariot days back in the Roman days.
Absolutely.
If they had
They
drones
had
back then.
drones.
Drones, L GoPros,
I mean, it would have been,
GoPros.
you
L
know.
GoPros.